Cat Unplugged. Unplugged with Cat Gurus only at Endeavour. So today we unplug Cat 2017 along with Dimple, who is an engineering student, and Amit, who is an BCom student. We see as to how well do they attempt this paper and how well can we understand attempting this paper. So without wasting any time, let's enter into CAT 2017. So Amit and Dimple are sitting in the examination hall waiting for the paper, and the first section that comes up to them is DI, data interpretation, and the problem is on games. In badminton, which team serves first is decided by the toss of a coin. In a game of badminton, there are two teams, Team 1 and Team 2, with two players named A, B and C, D respectively in each team. So A and B belongs to Team 1 and C and D belongs to Team 2. In a game, one of the players serves and a rally begins. If the serving team wins the rally, they get a point. The same player keeps serving again and again as long as his team keeps winning rallies and earning points. If the team loses a rally, then the other player of the same team gets the chance to serve. So this is how it is happening, simple, in a loop from one team to the other. He again continues to serve as long as his team wins rallies, otherwise the serving option moves to the other team and starts with one player of the other team getting a chance to serve. The game continues in this way until one team gets 15 points and wins the match. Now, depending upon this understanding, we need to answer the following question. So, if A is serving while leading 7-0, that is when team 1 has 7 points and team 2 has 0, which of the following is definitely true? The first option, A has served more number of times than B. Second, B has served more number of times than A. Third, A has served more number of times than C, and C has served equal number of times as D. Now you understand the question and try and, well, I hope most of you must have got the answer to the question. Now let's see how did Dimple and Amit tried attempting and understanding this question. So we'll solve this question by making a graphical representation of it so as to better understand as to how did everything happen. So let us start by understanding the question again. In badminton, which team serves first is decided by the toss of a coin. In a game of badminton, there are two teams. So team 1, which is on one side, and team 2, which is on the other side, with two players named A, B and C, D respectively. So A and B belong to team 1 and C and D belong to team 2. In the game, one player serves and a rally begins. So let's take an example. B serves and the rally begins as team 1 starts the rally. If the serving team wins the rally, they get a point. So if B is serving and he wins the rally, team 1 get a point. The same player keeps serving again and again as long as his team keeps winning rallies. So if B keeps winning rallies, the team 1 keeps on serving. If the team loses a rally, so in this example, if B loses a rally, then the other player of the same team, in this case A, gets the chance to serve. Then after B, A starts serving because B lost the rally. Now A continues to serve as long as his team wins rally, otherwise the serving option moves to the other team. So A will keep on serving till the time he wins rally. If he loses the rally, then the option to serve moves on to the other team, which is team 2. So let's take an example, then C gets a chance to serve then. So with this understanding, we need to answer the following question, and the question is this. If A is serving while leading 7-0, that is when team 1 has 7 points and team 2 has 0 points, then which of the following is definitely true? So with this question, Dimple sees option number 1, which is saying served more number of times than B, and she feels that this is a correct option. Now as team 1 has 7 points, she feels like maybe A has served maximum of 8 serves, and in 7 serves he won 7 rallies, and 1 serve he missed it. So maximum number of serves by A would be 8, and during this time the number of serves by B would be 0 because B never really served. Still, the scoreline would be 7-0. So according to her, option 1 looks correct. But then Amit had some other idea. Amit thought the same scenario for B. Now why can't B go for 8 serves? And in 7 serves, he is winning 7 rallies. That is why the team is getting the 7 points. And 1 serve he misses it. So maximum number of serves by B would be 8 then. And now the number of serves by A would be 0. So he feels like B has served more number of times than A. So which who of the two is correct, and which of the two option is correct? Well, neither of them, because both of this is a possibility and we are here looking for an answer which is a definite. So now Dimple starts thinking about option number 3, which says that A has served more number of times than C. Now again we are still confused about A. It could be 0 number of serves or 8 number of serves. So again we cannot comment on A. So